Back in the early 1800s, miners used wooden sluice boxes with slats called riffles to catch the gold nuggets. In modern times, the basic concept has not changed much, except the materials and manufacturing are new and modernized. Today, the gold being recovered still faces the same problem: overburdening of heavy materials and gold rolling out of the sluice box and into the tailing pit. The constant pattern of gold migration cannot change unless the riffle profiles are also changed. But how do you change something that's been the staple and the standard in gold mining for over 200 years? Recently exploding into the gold recovery world, DreamMat has taken a fresh new perspective on gold recovery. DreamMat uses proven hydrocyclone technology to capture gold better than traditional riffle methods. It breaks the back of rolling migration by spinning the gold upstream, reversing the direction of the gold against the flow, gathering it into sheltered collection cells. Light material is constantly swirled and pulled off by passing flow. Gold settles to the bottom of the cells, allowing it to remain unaffected by migrating flow. This reduces concentrates, allowing for extended run times and simpler cleanups. Gold is collected in the upper portion of the sluice mat, showing the reduction of normal migration. DreamMat's bold new approach of moving the gold upstream is as exciting as it sounds, helping benefit gold recovery with seasoned miners to weekend prospectors. Whether you're sluicing, highbanking, dredging, or running a wash plant, DreamMat has the only technology of its kind that exploits nature's physics after 200 years of tradition, bringing gold recovery into the future with confidence and results that no other system in the world can offer. Don't let your profits be swept downstream by old traditional methods. Start moving your gold upstream with DreamMat into greater recovery profits today.